So we're going to be looking at question number 3 from the 2013 revised higher physics paper. It says that a vehicle runs down a slope as shown. Here is our vehicle and it's running down a slope, travelling between two light gates which are connected to the computer. And the following results are obtained. We have the angle of the slope, we have the length of the card on the top of the vehicle, the time for the card to pass through gate 1, the time for the card to pass through gate 2, and the time for the card to travel between the light gates. So the question is, which quantity has the largest percentage uncertainty? So this is a fairly straightforward thing to do. We need to determine what that is, 0.5 as a percentage of 15, what that is as a percentage of 0.02, and so on. So there's no quick way to go about this. You just have to try each one in turn and solve the problem that way. So the way to do that, let's do theta first. The percentage uncertainty in theta, I suppose we should call it percentage delta V, or delta theta. Percentage delta theta, and that's the percentage uncertainty in theta, is equal to 0.5 divided by 15 times 100. Okay, so we'll get all these calculations at the end. Length of the card D is the next one, so the percentage on the uncertainty in D is 0.001 over 0.02, and that's again times by 100. The third one is the percentage uncertainty in T1, which is 0.01 over 0.40 times 100. And then we have the percentage uncertainty in 02, which is, T2, which is, let's see, 0.01 divided by 0.25 times 100. And the last one, the percentage uncertainty in T3, which is 0.01 divided by 0.50 times 100. Now we can look at all of these and we can see obviously that some are a larger percentage than others. For example, of these 3 times, this one is going to be the largest percentage because our denominator is very large. This one is a very small number compared to that, and this one is a relatively large number compared to that. So looking at them generally down the list, we might think it's possibly this one here is the largest, but it could be one of the others as well. So let's just do the calculations now and we'll fill in the answers as we go along. So the first one is 3.33% uncertain. The second one is 5% uncertain, so it is bigger than theta. The third one is 2.5% uncertain. T2 is 4% uncertain. And T3 is 2% uncertain. So therefore the biggest one is D. So that would be giving our answer as B.